What is a PIR sensor? This is a PIR sensor. A passive infrared sensor is an electronic sensor that measures infrared light radiating from objects in its field of view. They are most often used in PIR-based motion detectors. PIR sensors are commonly used in security alarms and automatic lighting applications. All objects with a temperature above absolute zero emit heat energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation. Usually this radiation isn't visible to the human eye because it radiates at infrared wavelengths, but it can be detected by electronic devices designed for such a purpose. Two potentiometers are used in the PIR motion sensor board. Number 1. Time adjustment potentiometer. Number 2. Delay adjustment potentiometer. PIR sensor can be made sensitive or insensitive. This is a Fresnel lens. When making a PIR sensor, there are two important things to consider: low cost and high sensitivity, both of which can be achieved by using a Fresnel lens. Lenses increase the range of action and increase sensitivity. This is a simple circuit for setting up a PIR sensor. You can use Arduino, microcontroller, and development boards to set up the PIR sensor.